Welcome to ASET International Energy Training Academy. Established in 1993, the ASET company is a wholly owned subsidiary of North East Scotland College. We are one of the leading training providers in the North East of Scotland region, playing a key role in supporting the region's energy transition and the Scottish Government's zero carbon emission target. ASET also welcomes training delegates from throughout the UK and over 80 international countries. We provide highly specialised technical skills-based hands-on training and assessment to both UK and international awarding body standards. The ASET International Energy Training Academy is also an SCQF credit rating body with an exclusive range of professional qualifications. Our training academy hosts a range of market-leading technology, equipment and workshops, all set up in industrial settings to replicate the actual workplace. No other commercial energy training provider in the UK can offer such a unique and specialised training facility. We have one of the largest ranges of training provision with over 200 courses available, which includes oil and gas process operations, automation and process control, electrical, hydraulic and mechanical engineering, renewables with a key focus on upskilling and transitioning wind turbine technicians for the onshore and offshore wind energy industries, complex hazardous areas, dynamic positioning, stability and ballast control for semi-submersibles, marine operations of self-elevating platforms, rig move operations for mobile offshore units, radio telephony, emergency response, scaffolding, health and safety, environmental, vocational assessor and verifier qualifications, skills screening and competence-based skills tests, digital online learning, virtual reality and online training simulation. The ASET training team are all ex-industry who are occupationally competent, qualified and vastly experienced personnel with a strong focus on practical hands-on training. For the full range of courses we provide, visit our website, ASET International Energy Training Academy. Reality without the risk.